I don't quite know what to make of this 9th-hour proposed challenge by former JFF President, Mr. Tony James, for the JFF presidency. In practical terms, it don't make no sense. But I suppose symbolically, it represents an official show of dissent for the way the football is being run. But as the master pragmatist, I don't think anybody should waste them time, energy, and money to challenge Mike Ricketts right now. Not at this late stage. The way the thing's set, Mr. Ricketts and him friend them, with the help of the current JFF Constitution, them have the thing locked up. But the fact that Mike Ricketts will be the president of the JFF for the next 4 years don't mean we're going to stop, love, and support the football. I doubt Mr. Ricketts will get any more competent or effective as a leader anytime soon. So Jamaica will have to continue to build our football in spite of Mike Ricketts. The fundamental issues of transparency and trust as they relate to sponsorship for the national program will have to be solved by Mr. Ricketts earlier rather than later. My personal contribution will be to keep Mr. Ricketts and his friends honest. So we're there with the whip. We're there with the whip to beat them when they forget beating Sita. 4 more years, Sita. 4 more years of beating for them. 4 more years.